Get on my head. 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 Get on my
I'm on the road again and I'm just about to drive through Solstice Park. That's a little area down in southwest England between Bulford and a place called Amesbury. Matter of fact, many people might call it Amesbury. Yeah, I call it Amesbury. It's Amesbury actually. So down in Solstice Park, I've done videos on Solstice Park, but what I did today was a bit different, what I'm going to show you today. A lot of shopping areas, a lot of places where you can come and get what you need, you know, restaurants, shopping, grocery shopping. Some of these major supermarkets, they sell clothes, but you know, this is the area where a lot of people come on a Friday evening like today, take their children out, because you got restaurants, you got things like the Harvesters and many other different restaurants. You got your McDonald's, like a lot of these children, they love their McDonald's. Not like us down in Jamaica, love a little bit of KFC and all of these things. But again, this is what we call a country, I would say Europe, but we just came out of the European Union. So therefore, I don't know if it's fit to call England Europe anymore. But then again, as I drive past a few of these shops, you'll see what they are. You got your Taco Bells, you got your American shops. A lot of American shops are now very popular in England. And Taco Bell, the Pizza Hut, and all of these things. McDonald's had not gone anywhere, unlike in Jamaica. But I think maybe Jamaica is the only country they don't have a McDonald's. Yeah, guys, we used to have a McDonald's, but not anymore. But nevertheless, I'm not here promoting fast food. McDonald's is not paying for my ad. The Toby Carberry, that's another restaurant. You can go and have your lunch, breakfast, or your dinner. Kentucky is to my left. You've got your, a few places. Petrol station, can't go without your petrol station. And yeah, so this is one of them places if you're traveling to Yeovil, or you're going up to Stonehenge, or you're going Salisbury to see the Salisbury Cathedral, and you're coming up the A303 like you're coming from London side, more than likely you will have to pass this pit stop. And this is a place where you can come, like you see Holiday Inn Hotel over there. This hotel is nothing like what we have in Jamaica as all-inclusive, but this is nevertheless a hotel in which, you have, if you come around for courses or whatever it is, you will stop by there. It's like I don't know how to describe it. If it's a motel, I've never been to a motel, but if you're going to compare it to one in the tropical, which I think it's not fair to do so, then you'll think, well, Yeah, it's a motel. But I'm gonna go up this road because up here, where I'm heading now, in Solstice Park, this is a newly built side of the industrial estate. Maybe 5 years ago, a lot of trucks are here because they got a major distribution center around here for a company called Home Bargains. A lot of drivers, a lot of big place employ a lot of people. But yes, guys, so if you decided to come to England, you're not in one of the major cities such as London, Birmingham, Manchester, Derby, Gloucestershire, one of these places that when you travel to, you want to see. If you're in Wiltshire, you got Salisbury City, you got the Salisbury Cathedral, a couple of miles from here, not too far at this present time. But then again, what I'm driving through this industrial estate around this side, you have a lot of manufacturers and companies that you can buy tools, kitchen, and all these things from. When I put the drone up, you'll see in the drone footage houses. This is